Welcome back to this second part of this trip. Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year.
This episode will be a little bit different than you are used to.
Sometimes everything does not go the way you plan for, and even though you're out in the nature, there is still a lot of sounds that can ruin a take.
And sometimes we have a little trouble with the intros as well.
Yeah, we don't really plan what to say ahead, which
we also can see here.
No fucking with det här är som fan, så jag kan inte starta video.
Vad är det då? I just got joined by Frederick.
Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, go! No, come on, we can still do it.
Hello, I just got joined by...
We're never getting through this.
Oh. Hello, I just got joined by Frederick.
Hello. Okej, en gång till. Sitter nu sitter han. Nu.
It's so good.
So good.
This is the best sausage I ever tasted. Even better than...
I'm sure it is. And then there are the pure fails when everything just don't go the way you planned it for.
Nej, den filmar där uppe.
Ja.
Om vi tar ett kast tills bara.
Hur mycket trassel blev det? Jag tar ett.
Sometimes you really wish you had an axe.
Sometimes not even that helps.
And some things you should never try at home.
Or at all.
Or at all.
nej. Ja, men det är lugnt. Oj. Nej. Nej. Ta den här då. Ta den. Så.
You know, I remember one time, that was the first time I thought to myself, okay, I need to do a New Year's bloopers. And that was when this happened.
Well, that didn't work. Yeah, that one hurt a little bit actually.
And to continue on that, you have been a big part of these bloopers reels.
Yes, I know.
The time when you fell in the water, when you went down to clean your noodles because you have dropped it on the ground, and I just hear, "Ah!" and you was in the water.
Yeah, I got drenched on that one. The funny thing is we had to hike out like 20 minutes after that, so my boots were wet, my clothes were soaked. That was not fun at all.
Inte bättre att ta av sig kläderna innan man badar, eller? Vad fan hände då?
Det var så på Steam. Fuck you, stop filming!
It has been a busy year. We just reached 500 subscribers on YouTube. Super thank you to all of you. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, and you also got a sponsor this year.
Yeah,
That's huge.
That is insane, man.
Yeah. And they have been very generous as well.
Yeah, definitely. We are so grateful for Unigear that helps us with the gear to try.
Yeah, is there any gear you have been particularly happy with?
I really like the sleeping bag they sent me, the Camphy. That's my new best 3-season sleeping bag. I will only use one other sleeping bag through the year, and that's the Carinthia Defense 4 that we have with us.
Yeah, we both use that one.
Yeah, that's a really nice winter sleeping bag. But other than that, as soon as the snow goes away, I will use that Unigear sleeping bag because I'm really happy with it.
Yeah.
You have been using a lot of hand warmers this year.
Yeah, I go through them fast.
You go through them fast. And that's actually one thing I also really love about the gear that Unigear sent me. The hand warmer with a 10K battery. I really need to get you one because you're going through them hand warmers like it was your underpants. And
what do you know about that?
you got a new saw this year?
Yeah, finally. Well, I got like 3 saws this year,
Yeah.
but you finally convinced me to go with the Silky Big Boy.
Big boy.
It's just perfect.
Yeah.
Really recommend that.
We started to do hot tents for the first time this year.
Well, you started.
Or me.
I'm still in the cold tent.
But you're in here with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought the nature hike Opalus, I think it was called. And I modified it to be a hot tent. And bought this Winterwell Nomad Small. A little bit heavy for my taste. Stainless steel. There is titaniums out there that is much lower in weight, but also a lot more expensive. Hot tent is amazing.
Yeah.
The only thing with the Opalus was that I thought it came too much wind under the skirts.
Yeah, you didn't have any snow skirts.
No, I decided to go look for another tent, another real winter hot tent. and decided on this nature hike RS Army, and it's freaking amazing. It's heavy, really heavy. It's 6 kilos, but I really love this one. It's one of the best tents I ever tried.
Yeah, it has totally saved us the last 2 trips at least.
Yeah, you can do so much with it. The good thing about it is that you can open up the front and sit under it if it's raining or snowing bad, or so this is I really like this one.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Has been a lot of food on the channel.
There has been a lot of food on the channel.
We have lived like kings out here.
Oh yeah.
It feels in my back.
Yeah, because you carry it all.
Yeah. But no, we have a lot of fun recording these videos and being out here, and we are so appreciative of everyone that's following and tagging along. Super appreciate it. Then there is only one more thing to do this year.
Yep, there is only one more thing to do this year.
Should we do it now?
We should.
Come on.
Let's go.
Stäng av.